Aloha from Hawaii! Welcome back to my hula course. In this lecture, we'll learn how to do our vamp hand position. But before we actually start, I just want to introduce what Hawaiian vamp is. Vamp is a traditional kind of accompaniment in Hawaiian music. It's usually repeated a couple of times as intro and outro of a song. And the vamp hand position is used in the part where there is no lyrics in a song. Okay, so now we understand what is vamp. Let's start learning. So first, place your hands in an upper hand position and extend your right arm. Now bring it back to the center. Extend your left forearm and bring it back to the center. Please keep in mind to make the levels even. You don't want to go too high or too low in one side. Just stretch out your arms to your right side and change to the other side. This is vamp hand position. The key point here is to keep the other hand at center. Now let's try this vamp hand position together with the steps. We're going to first start off with a cow. Switch to the other side as the beat goes. Great! Now let's try with kaholo. You switch to the other side as you make 2 steps. Nice! Now lastly, let's do with hela. Great work! Now let's review this vamp hand position. First, make a basic posture. Second, bring your forearms in front of your chest. And third, stretch out your forearms to your sides. Mahalo and see you in the next video.